In this video, you'll learn how to build a React app using the Windsurf application. By following these steps, you will successfully create a new React project, allowing you to dive into development with ease. Begin by launching the Windsurf application on your computer. Locate the application icon on your desktop or in your applications folder. Double-click the icon to open it and wait for the interface to load completely. This may take a few moments depending on your system performance. Next, look for the Agents option within the main interface of Windsurf. This is typically located on the left sidebar or at the top menu. Click on Agent to proceed. After this action, you should see additional options or a new screen related to agent functionalities. After that, find and click on the New Session button. This button will often be prominently displayed within the agent options. Once you click it, the interface will refresh or change to show you a new session page where you can input commands. At this point, a cascade code interface will appear. This is where you will enter commands to generate your React app. You might see a blank input area or a command line interface ready for your input. Type in the command to create a React app, which is create a React app. Ensure you enter the text exactly as specified, including spaces and capitalization. This command tells Windsurf what you want to generate. Once you've entered the command, click on the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will initiate the process of generating the React app. You may see a loading indicator or progress bar while Windsurf processes your. Finally, you will need to wait for Windsurf to generate your React app. The time taken for this will depend on your system's performance and the size of the application being created. Monitor the interface for any messages or confirmations that indicate the process is completed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.